One of the other options is you're gonna take your color wheel and you can make it into a flower. So to do this, I'm gonna actually set this aside for right now. We need the center of our flower. So center of, it's gonna be kind of like a sunflower. So I want pretty big center, and then I take my scissors and I cut this out. Now, your background color, you can choose any color you want. I did blue because I like nice bright blue sky, but any color would work. So it's completely your choice. You could even do black background. The only problem with blue is not gonna show up very well, but I could have chosen a lighter blue. That might have been a better choice, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and lay this down. Then on each one of these, we're going to draw a petal. Now, for my petals, I'm gonna do teardrop shapes. So start with the yellow. It actually starts out like I want. So I'm gonna start on the tip, and I'm gonna draw kind of teardrop shapes on each of these. So the point stays there. And hopefully you can see these. I draw lightly sometimes. This is gonna be hard to see. Purple, almost impossible for you guys to see, but you'll just have to trust me that it's there. Now I know the purple and the yellow are gonna be slightly bigger, and that's totally okay. Once I get them drawn, then I'm going to cut them out. And then I can place them. Now this is where you have to be careful. I have to place them in the correct order. So I'm gonna try to keep them similar. So there, I have to have my orange by my yellow. Because this project's all about the color wheel. So I need those, so I have to have the green next. Ooh, I'm doing a terrible job cutting that one. I didn't do very good on this side, but we can touch that up later too. So we're halfway there. Red. I want you to look at the color wheel and decide where you think the red's gonna go. Remember, there is a color wheel on the board. You can always use that as a reference. Where does it go? Which side? This side. I'll do blue. Now the blue, where does that go? Right here. And red and blue make purple, so I know the purple goes between them. Now, if you wanted your flower to have anything else, you can. Like, there we go. I could take and make some other petals if I wanted to. As long as the color wheel's here, that would be fine. Now, I could even, this might look cool. I haven't tried this before. I could do some little petals out of my scraps if you have enough room for that. So this could be a multicolored one. And it could go between there. Ooh, I kind of like that. You could take green construction paper and make a stem with some petals if you want. Just make it your own. Have fun.